This is Reeling Park. We wanted to do this video to provide a little bit of context and distinction between the types of homes that are offered in Reeling Park, because most of the time when people think of Reeling Park, they think there are only the villa style homes in this community, much like the homes that you would find in Arriva's Village. However, Reeling Park has some of the most unique and luxurious floor plans that Viera Builders has ever offered. To give you a general idea of where Reeling Park is located, we are about 2.5 miles south of the avenue, 1.5 miles south of Viera Hospital. We are less than 1 mile south of the new Publix that was just built off of Stadium Boulevard, and directly across the street from Viera Elementary School. And you're probably wondering, Shane, where's the nearest soup shop? It's about 1.5 miles away. The oldest homes that you'll find in here were built in 2021, and some of the newest are still being built as of today. And if you look at the land right behind you guys on the camera side, there is just a vacant parcel of land where you're gonna see more of the villa style homes that Reeling Park offers. Some of my favorite things about Reeling Park, it's gonna be the diversity of the floor plans you're gonna find in here. Most of the homes are gonna be 3-car garages, a lot of tile roofs and some shingle roofs. Almost all of the homes in here can fit a pool, which I think is great, and the general proximity is amazing. We are right around the corner from Pineda, which will take you almost anywhere you need to in the county. It's right across the street from Viera Elementary, so super convenient for families. And when you have Publix and the Viera Avenue just up the road, it's just really convenient. We scoured the MLS and we identified 26 individual transactions for this area. So on the low side, we saw a $754,000 price point. That was a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom coming in at 2,283 square feet. Now on the high side, we saw $1,165,000 as the sales price. That was a 3,700 square foot, 5-bedroom, 5-bathroom property with a pool. But if you're looking for median numbers, the median price is around $904,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom, and coming in right at 3,300 square feet. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to check out our playlist on all things Viera. And if you haven't already done this, which would be crazy, but go ahead and subscribe to my channel because we're dropping content like this almost weekly.